Kawasaki King 80 feather 1 dozen. Kawasaki 80 qualified certificate model King 80 feather goose core composite grade qualified quantity 12 pieces per dozen. Executive standard GB/T 1181-2006 Shenzhen Chuangqi Sports Company Limited. Okay, Weibo WeChat. Okay, durable king shuttlecock specs speed drier winter or long time storage will cause shuttles feather easily fracture. To enhance its durability, shuttles need to be moistured first. Open the push-in cap and put it over the steam machine for 5 seconds. Then use it after half hour. Okay, made in China. This is the cap, Kawasaki 80, speed 76, Kawasaki, made in China, Japan. Kawasaki 80 King feather 1 dozen. Let's unbox it. This is the box after removing the plastic paper. Okay, Kawasaki King durable 1 dozen, made in China. Get one more free. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the feather. See, Kawasaki hologram in the box, Kawasaki 80. Okay, I'm turning off the light for more clear view. Kawasaki 80. Okay, we have to open it from other side. Okay, let's open it from here. See, push out. Okay, this is the feather. Hard. Two. 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There is no extra feather here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In the cover it was mentioned that get one more free, but I didn't got any. Here I have got 12 feather. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 feather. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.